So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the new and latest Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max that I just received. So I pre-ordered this. So unfortunately I kind of ordered a little bit later on the day. So instead of getting on September something, I got it October 7, which is just now. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this, shall we? 这是个 serial number right here. Oh, so I don't even have to cut it with my razor. Let's peel off right here. So I got the gold color. Even on the iPhone, it is in gold. And also on this Apple logo, it is in gold. And iPhone on this side, Apple again. So let's go ahead and peel off this sticker. There's another one on the bottom right here. Wow, look at the camera. So shiny in gold and everything. So this one has a new low light sensor on the camera. So it's supposed to take like a good picture on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So unfortunately, it doesn't come with the charging brick, just the USB Type-C to Lightning charge port, and one of the Apple logo sticker, and I believe the SIM card eject tool right there. That's about it. Then the rest of it is just nothing. I think it comes with one of the sticker. Wow, look, it's so shiny on this side right here. And here's a SIM card, up and down rocker, and then your silent switch. There's your wake and sleep button right there. So yeah, before I remove this, I'm going to put on the glass screen protector. I also have the rear camera protector as well. So you got a SIM eject tool, you got the, I thought when you get the gold color, it's supposed to come with the gold Apple logo sticker. I guess not. So let me move this out the side. I don't think there's anything else is in here. Check it out. Nope. Anyway, I'm going to unbox this. This one is the VASG 3-pack screen protector, which is compatible with the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max, the 6.7 inch. And it also comes with the two of the camera lens protector. I'll be including the link that's going to show you in the description so you guys could check it out. And I would like to give a shout out to Echo from their marketing team to sending you this. So it says tempered glass screen protector. So it shows the instruction on how to use the alcohol wipe, and then a sticker that comes with it to take out all the lint, and then you're gonna peel it off and put it on your brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max, and then squeeze all the bubble out. And this is made in China. So the good about this thing, it comes with a guard, so you don't need to worry about if it's gonna sit aligned crooked or not. Come with the alcohol wipes as well. And there's two of the camera screen protector. And those extra sticker to remove the lint. And one microfiber cleaning cloth. Yeah, the three of the screen protector. Last time I did a unboxing for the screen protector, it broke on me, so I now had to get my money back. So the one with the protruding, you're gonna sit this on the top, and you're gonna line up with those volume rocker buttons, and then a sleep and wake button. This one is a smaller gap, and this one got a bigger gap, and it says top. So since this is brand new, come out of factory, I don't think I want to clean it. Let me just take out one of the screen protector out. And this one has a little bit notch right here on the top. That's for the ear piece. So that means you're going to peel this off. And then I'm going to sit that on top like that, okay? Let's go and get this ready, because you don't want the lint flying around. So I'm going to take this out. how to place this. Gonna peel this off. Gonna align it. Okay, and just let it go down. Wow, look at that. Show you, just let it go down slowly, squeeze out the bubble. Nice. Wow, nice, pretty simple installation. This is very easy with this special guard that came with it. And if you see any bubble, just try to squeeze it out. And that's it. So just give a little pressure, wipe out anything. So I'm gonna wipe out this lens for the camera. And here the camera protector right here. So you're gonna line out right here, just like that. There's a small hole right there. gonna set it up later on, so when I power on with her phone, then it's gonna automatically sync it together to set this thing up. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And be sure to check out the links for the screen protector and also for the camera, because this phone is very expensive and you want to protect your investment. Alright? Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.